Thank you, Bismaji, distinguished guests and friends. It's my honor and pleasure to participate in this program, pay tribute to the Nepali hero Anuradha Koirala. Anuradha Koirala is known to everybody these days. Although before she was awarded CNN Hero, she was well known in Nepal, but limited friends beyond Nepal used to know her. But with CNN's announcement and selection of her as CNN Hero out of more than 10,000 nominations, she has become the global hero. I congratulate her for becoming Nepali hero and CNN hero. Thank you so much. Now she is not only a Nepali icon or Nepali hero, she is a global icon for her work that she has done in the area of trafficking of women. Human trafficking is a crime against humanity. I think that's what she said in the CNN interview and when she became CNN hero. It is one of the biggest challenges in Nepal too. But in the meantime, I would like to inform you that Nepal is working very hard. Even the government is working hard to address this problem. And there is a ranking where Nepal stands today in terms of girls trafficking and human trafficking. I'm glad to let you know that Nepal has improved a lot during the last few years in the areas of human trafficking. You can ask me, where are the improvements? The improvements are in two areas. One is enactment of the acts and regulations in Nepal. That was very weak before 2006, 2007. But in 2007 and 8, there were a number of acts enacted in Nepal in the area of human trafficking and girls trafficking. And there was complaint in Nepal that yes, you have acts and regulations, but you have not enforced it. You have not implemented it. So we have started implementing and enforcing those acts and regulations. Now, the government of Nepal has very recently prepared a report on human trafficking, including the girls trafficking. The coordination is done by a number of international agencies, but this trafficking coordination is done by US government. So they are pleased, we are pleased, and we would like to do more in the future, not only in the areas of civil society doing excellent work like Mighty Nepal, but we also would like to do whatever the government of Nepal can do and has to do in the area of human trafficking. As you have already mentioned that she has rescued more than 22,000 women, and every year, I think I was talking to her, every year 12 to 14,000 of women these days have been rescued by her organization Mighty Nepal. Not only rescuing, I think somebody was telling before, they have been rehabilitated, they have been given education, they have been given shelter, and everything necessary in the initial stage that they have to get in the rehabilitation stage. She is also patrolling the border area in Nepal and India, especially Nepal and India, and number of things that she has been doing. Yes, I think one person cannot do everything. We need to support her. If we can support her, if all of us we support her, I'm sure her ambition, her goal to eradicate this human trafficking problem from Nepal, especially girls trafficking problem, will be materialized soon. I hope she can realize this dream very soon. I also would like to thank Joe Collins and Bridget Collins, because without them, it would not have been possible to bring Anuradha ji in Washington DC area. When she became CNN hero, I called her and then said, is there any possibility you can come here now? And then she was saying that I have a very busy schedule and I have to go back immediately in Nepal, because there were so many calls coming to the embassy when she became CNN hero. How can we bring Anuradha ji to Washington DC? Joe Collins and Bridget Collins, they are my friends in my last incarnation. When I started working in the government, long time ago, I think they used to come with very good proposal for Nepal. Actually, their second home is Nepal. That's the reason why she has been associated. They have been associated with Mighty Nepal, and they have voluntarily established the Friends of Mighty Nepal in Boston, and that's for the whole of United States. So thank you, Joe and Bridget, for coordinating, facilitating, and bringing Anuradha ji here. I'm not saying that she doesn't want to come here. She wanted to come here from last year, but this is the occasion. I think the Washington DC, Greater Washington DC area has been very fortunate to get her in this occasion, and then probably the first time after when she became CNN hero to have this felicitation and tribute program to her. I also would like to thank Anwa for coordinating this excellent program, very important program. And you see the crowd here today, and then you see how many people, how many organizations have paid tribute and facilitation to her. So I thank you all for your effort. Not last but the least, but I would like to also congratulate again and thank Anuradha ji for coming to Washington DC and participating in this tribute and facilitation program. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Mr. Sharma, Dr. Sharma, I would say.
Now it's time to listen to Ms. Anuradha Koirala. Let's hear from the CNN hero,